When I was a child, I was always starved for affection. Sure, my parents tried to buy me off. Barbie dolls, darling princess phones, and private schools. But they never really loved me the way that I wanted. When I become a mom, I'm gonna smother my kids with affection. They're gonna know that their mom loves them, even if I have to smother them with my bosom. Because then, it'll be just hugs. Nope, because then, it'll just be hugs and hugs and hugs and hugs and hugs and hugs and hugs every single day. So, how do you feel about sex on the first date?